Hey, I was just getting ready to make a martini. Don't hate me, but these are some of the things that you may have to give up moving to a luxury condo. Let me just take you on a little ride. We'll pour this in just, oh, you know what? We're gonna pour this right now because we got a little time. Whoops. You might have to reshoot that one. Now we're gonna reshoot. Okay, so let's go on a little walk. So I do need to have my rug cleaned, which is super annoying. Oh yeah, so looks like they already did that. They also left me a nice little note with the receipt. It's gonna be back by next week. Unfortunately, I don't have to run that errand today, which is really nice. And I just got back from the office. Heaven forbid should I park my car. The valet comes and picks it up. Yeah, this is really rough. So let me show you where a valet is over here. I do not personally have an electric car, but if you did, they just park it for you right here and plug it in for you. Oh yeah, in case you needed a charge, that's here for you too. The conveniences of living in a condo. I mean, obviously, did you want to mow your lawn? I don't have to. It's really quite nice. And then, hello, and thank you for delivering my box. Yet something else, why you may hate me. Why would I have to go all the way downstairs to get my own box? They just bring it here to you. And why don't you come out onto my balcony so I can walk you through some other things that you are going to have to give up once you move into a luxury condo. Follow me. So if you're out here, let's just say, enjoying your martini in the beautiful weather, and you're looking at the trees thinking, gosh, that limb looks like it needs to come down. We have people for that. We also don't have to mow the lawn or plant a flower. None of that. This is all taken care of by the landscaping committee that takes care of all of the dirty work that you don't have to deal with. Okay, so you might be worrying about your 4,000 square foot plus home. Maybe it's 6,000 square feet. I only have about 2,000 square feet here, but let me show you. If we have, let's just say 50 people, 40 people, 100 people, let me show you where we have our parties. Follow me and I'm going to show you the party room. So right here, we have our little working kitchen here. Talk about wine glasses. We got you covered with the wine glasses. We will discuss the wine party that I had here with my friend Kelly, who happens to be behind the camera right now, who's acting as a videographer. Had a super fun wine tasting here. And we've got ice maker. It's making ice as we speak. We have a stove, we have a microwave, refrigerator for anything else that you need. And if you need to hire a bartender or somebody to serve, they can be right here, serve your guests right here. We'll go to the other side. And look at this gorgeous room. So like I said, 2,000 square feet upstairs. I don't know how many square feet this is. I'd say probably another 2,000 square feet, maybe 2,500. And you don't have to clean it. We have people for that. So don't worry about that either. You can move all this furniture out. It can be all open. You can do all chairs. It makes a great, great party room. We do have the sun here. You get indirect light. It provides wonderful light. And then we also have the outdoor patio, which I will show you. We also had a really cool party there for 4th of July. Indoor, outdoor. I mean, if your patio's not big enough, this patio is. And we have a grill over here if you want to cook out. Bring all your friends. So as you can see, I think this is a great space. I mean, who wouldn't want to have a party and have a couple drinks and have your friends, and you don't have to even have a mess in your room? I mean, if my condo's filthy right now, just have a party down here. That's what I would do. Oh, so here's some other things to think about. Here we are in the mailroom area. We've got 3 baskets. Do you get a bunch of junk in your mailbox, a bunch of catalogs that you don't need? That's what you have to do. We have people that come and take those to recycling for you. We've got our mailroom here. You don't have to worry about picking up your mail, or if you're gone for a week or 2 weeks at a time, they will collect all of your mail for you and they will bring it to your room, to your condo. And then these are all the people that make it happen in my building. We have a very large staff here. They're wonderful. They take care of everything for you. So we love them and are grateful for them. They're a great addition. And now we are going to go take a look at our racquetball / basketball court. I'm not good at basketball, but if you are good at basketball, we have a basketball court. Oh, I'm not very good at basketball. Let's see if I can do that. Oh, so close! Winner, winner, winner. This also acts as racquetball, squash, and I bet you $1 million if we ask the staff, for those pickleball craze weirdo people, we could make this into a pickleball court too, because it's small. And we could probably put those lines in here for you too. So, I mean, who would have thought that this was in the condo? Do you guys have a basketball court, racquetball court, squash ball court, and pickleball court? I do. Okay, so for those of you that have gym memberships that are paying $200, $250, I don't even know what they are now. Equinox, what are you, $300 now a month? It's right here in our building. We have a very nice gym here. You are gonna have to give up your gym membership. Look at this gym. I mean, I think this gym is amazing. It's all open here, beautiful trees. And then we have all of our weights over here. I mean, this is a gorgeous gym. I mean, give it up. How much is that a year? $2,400? No, more than that. Let's just say it's what? At least. Okay, well, we'll assume they're at Equinox. So 300 times 12 is what? 3,600. Okay, so here we are, saving you $3,600 a year at Equinox, which is probably $300 a month. And you can also bring your trainer here if you want, which is really awesome. Oh, hi. Yeah, just doing a little workout here. Just thinking, like, how far is your commute to your gym? Mine is 1 elevator ride away and down the hall. That saves you quite a bit of time and a little extra time to pump a little bit more iron. Welcome to the pool. Do you have to maintain the pool? You might have a really hot pool guy, but you have to pay for him. Look at this, you guys. Seriously, I did not know. I mean, we have our own beach towels here. How cool is that? These are really nice. And go over here. We have this beautiful pool, which you do not have to clean or maintain at all, which is wonderful. Okay, so we are back at the office and just wanted to provide you with a quick summary. I appreciate the you guys giving me the opportunity to have a little humor. That is my condo. It is my lifestyle, not quite as snarky. But for those of you that are considering a move, maybe from either New York, Chicago, LA, etc., or you're downsizing from a larger home and you're curious about all the things that the condos offer, I mean, they literally do take care of almost everything for you. I truly do love it. Yes, you have to pay for it in the HOA, so there is that trade-off, but I think it probably, I've never owned a home, but I know there are costs to that. So I do appreciate your time today and just seeing some of the things that I enjoy about living the condo lifestyle, and I hope that you enjoy it too.